Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Uconnect system in a Dodge Challenger. First, locate the volume and tuner knobs on your Uconnect display. Press and hold both knobs simultaneously for about 10 to 15 seconds. The screen should go blank and then restart, indicating a successful soft reset. This method often resolves minor glitches and responsiveness issues without losing your saved settings. For a soft reset, you'll simply press and hold the volume and tuner knobs on your Uconnect system at the same time. Keep them pressed for about 10 to 15 seconds. You'll notice the screen will go completely blank, then it will power back on. This quick restart can fix many common issues like a frozen display or unresponsive touch controls, and it usually won't erase your personalized settings. If a soft reset doesn't work, a hard reset might be necessary. First, turn off your Challenger and open the hood. Locate your car battery and carefully disconnect the negative terminal. Leave it disconnected for at least 15 minutes to ensure a full power cycle. Reconnect the terminal securely, then start your vehicle. This process can resolve deeper software problems by completely resetting the system. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off before attempting a hard reset to prevent any electrical issues. If problems persist, checking your owner's manual for specific Uconnect troubleshooting steps for your Challenger model is a great next step. Sometimes, a software update from your dealership can also resolve recurring issues. And hey, for staying refreshed on the go, check out the Oala water bottle link and other great deals in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.